On this video today, I'm going to show you step by step on how to make money with affiliate marketing as a complete beginner without any skills and without any experience. This method is available worldwide, and the best part is that it does not require any investment. So make sure you keep on watching till the end so that I'll show you everything that you need to know about this method. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. Now let's get into the details. The first step is that you have to join an affiliate network. There are a lot of different affiliate networks that you can join. You can join Digital24, you can join ClickBank, you can join Warrior Plus, you can join any affiliate network that you know. In this case, I'm using Market Health. Market Health is an affiliate network that is available worldwide. So wherever you are in the world, you can search for Market Health. Once you search for it, you can get access to a lot of different health products that you can promote to make money from home. As you can see on my dashboard, these are my statistics in the last 7 days. You can see I got 20,639 impressions. The number of clicks is 1,740. The conversion is 268. And you can see the payout. You can see the yearly payout right here. What I'm going to do is that I'm going to show you an unlimited traffic source that you can use to get results like this. If you are using Market Health, once you create your accounts and log in, what you have to do is that you have to click right here, offers. Once you click on offers, you have to click on all offers so that you can get access to the offers on this platform. Once you click on it, you can see these are offers that you can promote. All the offers on this platform are health products. So if you want to promote health products, this is the best platform for you. So let me just click right here, offers, so that you can see the categories. So once you click on offers, you can see these are the categories of health products that you can promote. You can see they have cosmetics, you can see health and beauty stores, you can see men's health, pet health, sexual health, skincare, and the rest. So any kind of health product that you want, you can find it on this platform to promote. You can see a whole lot of them. In this case, what you are going to be doing is that you are going to be promoting a weight loss product. So click right here, weight loss. Once you click on the weight loss, you're going to see a page like this. You can see these are weight loss offers that you can promote. You can see the commission rate right here. Some of them are going to pay you a flat fee of $30 per every sale that you get. You can see some of them you're going to be earning 50% per the price of the offer. You can see this one is $45. That is a flat fee. You can see another one, flat fee. So just select any of them that you want. You are allowed to promote any of them that you want. You don't need any approval. So just scroll down and then select any of them that you want. In this case, I'm going to promote this offer right here. You can see the commission rate is high, $75. So anytime you get a person to purchase this product, this is the amount that you're going to earn. So click on it so that you can get to know more about the product. Once you click on it, you're going to see a page like this. You can see this is your affiliate link. So you have to get people to click on this link and then purchase the product so that you can earn a commission. If you want to shorten your link, you can click right here, shorten link. Once you click on it, it will be shortened. You can see it has been shortened. Now what you have to do is that you have to drive traffic to your affiliate link. Before you drive traffic to your affiliate link, you have to check the expiring date. You can see this product, the expiring date is still far. It is going to expire on 31st December 2038 at 11:59 p.m. You can see it right here. So you still have a lot of time to promote this product. Always make sure that you check the expiring date of the product before you promote it. Once that is done, you can also scroll down and then get to know more information about the product. You can see this is an image of the product. This is the landing page of the product. When you scroll down, you can see right here, preview landing page. Once you click on it, you'll be able to see the landing page of the product. So let's click on it, preview landing page. Once you click on preview landing page, you can see this is the landing page of the product. You can see everything. You can see they have a contact number here. So if you want to promote the product, you can call them and then get to know more information about the product. Your potential visitors can also call this number so that they get to know more about the product before they make a purchase. You can see a whole lot of different information about the product. You can see everything. When you scroll down, you see a lot of different information about the product. You can see everything. So this is one of the best products that you can promote because the landing page looks good, so you can get people to purchase the product for you to earn money. Now once you have seen the landing page, the next step is that you have to build a simple landing page so that you can promote the offer. You can promote a direct link, but what we are going to be doing in this video is that we want to build a simple landing page. To build a simple landing page, you have to search for Google site. Just search for Google site. Once you search for it, click on the first link right here. Once you click on the first link, you're going to see a page like this. Click on blank site. Once you click on blank site, you're going to see a page like this. Now what you have to do is that you have to click right here to delete the header. Just delete it. Once you delete it, you have to give a name to your site. So you can give a name right here. Just delete this and then give a name to your landing page. So you can say keto 4b, just something like this. The name does not matter. You can enter any name that you want. Now once that is done, what you have to do is that you have to write a catchy title here that can get people attention to click on your affiliate link and then purchase the product. So click right here, text box. Once you click on it, you are going to paste your text here. You can see this is my heading. If you want, you can use this exact heading or you can change it. Now once you have your heading, you can highlight it and then increase the font size. So increase it to maybe 14. Once that is done, you can center it. So click on align. Once that is done, you can center it. Once you have your title, you have to insert an image here. So you can come back on market health. Once you come back, you can take a screenshot of this image. So let's take a screenshot of it. Let's take a screenshot of this information. Take a screenshot of this. Just take a screenshot of it. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, what you have to do is that you have to click right here save, so that you can save the image. Once you save the image onto your device, click right here image. Once you click on it, click on upload. Once you click on upload, select your image, click on open. Once you click on open, the image will appear here. You can see it right here. So let's drag it and position it well. You can see that has been done. Now you have a simple landing page. You can type a call to action right here. So click right here, text box. Once you click on text box, you are going to type a call to action right here. So let's type something like, click here to get access to keto diet now, or you can type any call to action that you want. Once you have your call to action, you can highlight it, increase the font size. So let's increase it to 24. Once that is done, you have to position it at the center. So let's align it center. As you can see, that has been done. Now once you have your call to action, the next step is that you have to insert your affiliate link right here. So you have to come back on market health and then copy your affiliate link. Once you copy your affiliate link, you have to come back on your landing page, highlight your call to action. Once you highlight your call to action, what you have to do is that you have to click on insert link. Once that is done, paste your affiliate link right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, click on apply. Your affiliate link has been inserted. Once that is done, you have to highlight the image. Once you highlight the image, click on insert link. Once that is done, paste it right here, click on apply. As you can see, that has been done. Now you have a simple landing page that you can use to promote the product. If you want to preview it, just click right here, preview. Once you click on it, you can preview it on any device that you want. So if you want desktop, you can see this is the preview. If you want tablet, this is the preview. If you want mobile, you can see this is the preview. You can see everything. It's a very simple landing page. Now once that is done, the next step is that you have to publish your landing page. To publish it, click right here, publish. Once you click on it, you have to enter a web address here. So let's click right here, publish. You already have a web address, so let's click on publish. Once you click on publish, your landing page has been published. Click right here, view, so that you can see how it will look like. You can see this is your landing page. You can see this is your published landing page. Now what you have to do is that you have to drive traffic to this landing page so that you can get people to purchase the offer for you to make money. The traffic source that we are going to be using today is medium.com. Medium is one of the best platforms that you can use to promote any offer that you want. And the best part is that they accept links. So if you insert the link to your landing page on this platform, you are not going to be banned. It is allowed, so you can promote your affiliate products here. The best part is that any kind of offer that you want, you can promote it on this platform. They have weight loss, they have computer science, they have writing, relationship, politics, productivity, and anything that you want, you can publish it on this platform so that you can get people to read it. So we are going to write an article which we can use to promote our landing page on this platform. But before you write an article, what you have to do is that you have to sign up for an account. So click right here, get started. Once you click on it, you have to follow the prompt so that you can create your free accounts. In this case, I have an account, so I'm going to log in. So click right here, sign in. Once you create your accounts and log in, you're going to see a page like this. Now you can begin writing articles and then publish them on this platform. To write an article, you have to click right here, write. Once you click on it, you can be able to publish an article on this website for free. So just click right here, write. Once you click on it, you'll be able to publish an article. You can see you have to enter the title of your article and the main article and the body of the article here. Right now we don't have an article, so if you want, you can write your own article right here, or you can use ChatGPT to write the article for you. In this case, I'm going to use ChatGPT. So just come on ChatGPT. Once you come on ChatGPT, what you have to do is that you have to type a prompt like this. Use this information to write an article about how to lose weight with keto. Once you type a prompt like this information, you can go back on market health and then copy it and paste it. So just come back on market health. Once you come back on market health, you can see the information right here. You can see it. Highlight and copy this. Once you highlight and copy it, come back and then paste it right here. Once you paste it, click on send so that it can write an article for you. You can see it has already written an article for me. You can see this is my article. Let me scroll down for you to see. You can see this is the article. Now what you have to do is that you have to publish the article on Medium so that you can use it to drive traffic to your affiliate link. So highlight and copy the title of your article, highlight and then copy it, highlight and copy it. Once you highlight and copy it, you're going to come back, paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, the next step is that you have to paste the body of the article here. So come back on ChatGPT. Once you highlight it, copy it. As you can see, that has been done. Once you copy it, you are going to paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. As you can see, this is the body of the article. You can see everything. Now once you have the body of the article, the next step is that you have to insert your affiliate link so that you can get people to purchase the product that you are promoting for you to make money. So you can arrange the article well, just arrange everything. So you can highlight everything and then change it, make it bold, just arrange it properly, arrange everything properly. Now once you have rearranged the article, you can see everything. You have to begin inserting your affiliate link. So you can type a call to action here so that you can insert your affiliate link. So you can type a call to action like discover the best keto diet for weight loss, something like this. Discover the best keto diet for weight loss. Once you have your call to action, the next step is that you have to insert the link to your landing page here. So you have to come back on Google site. Once you come back, click on this icon. Once you click on it, click on copy link. Once you click on copy link, the link to your landing page has been copied. Highlight everything. Once you highlight it, click on this link. Once you click on insert link, paste the link to your landing page here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, click on enter. Once you click on it, you can see the link to your landing page has been inserted. So anytime people click on this call to action, they are going to be directed to your landing page. So now what you have to do is that you have to highlight and then copy your call to action. Copy it. Once you copy it, you can paste it in any part of the article that you want. So let's paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, the next step is that you have to scroll down and then paste it in any part of the article that you want. Paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you have to scroll down. Once you scroll down, paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Now once you have your call to actions in your article, the next step is that you have to publish the article. So click right here, publish. Once you click on it, you have to add text here. So let's add something like weight loss, something like weight loss. You can see the text here, select it. Once that is done, you can type something like lose weight, lose weight. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, type something like fat loss. As you can see, that has been done. Type something like weight. You can see weight loss tips. Just enter as many tags as you want. Once that is done, click on publish now so that your article can be published. You can see publishing story. Your article has been published. You can see just now your article has been published on this website, and you are going to be getting people who will read it and then click on the link to your landing page so that they can purchase the product for you to make money. You can see this is your article. On Medium, you are going to be getting organic traffic. That means people are going to discover this article and then read it. But we want a lot of people to read this article and then purchase a product that we are promoting. So what we have to do is that we have to get as many people as we can so that they can read this article and then take the action for us to make money. To get many people to read the article, what you have to do is that you have to promote it on Google. You have to make sure that when people search for weight loss or keto diet, they can get access to your article on Google and then read it. To do that, you have to search for this website, Index King. Once you search for it, you're going to see a page like this. You can see this is the website. Click on it. Once you click on it, you're going to see a page like this. Now what you have to do is that you have to submit the URL of your article on this website so that your article can be ranked on Google and many other search engines. So what you have to do is that you have to come back on Medium. Once you come back on Medium, click on this icon, share. Once you click on it, click on copy link. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you are going to come back and then paste your link here. As you can see, that has been done. Once you paste your link, the next step is that you have to scroll down and then click right here, rapid index. Click on it so that your article can be ranked on Google. Once you click on it, you can see your article is submitting to different search engines. You can see right now it has been submitted to 17 different search engines. You can see it is still counting. So your article is going to be discovered by a lot of people. You can see as I'm talking, your article is indexing in many search engines. You can see right now we have about 30. You can see. So your article is going to be discovered by a lot of people who will read it and then take the action for you to make money. So make sure you go and take action so that you can be making money with this method. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.